Hi, welcome to This Is My Architecture. Today I'm with Stefan from Addictive. Hi, Stefan.
Hello.
Hi, could you please tell me more about your company?
Yeah, so I'm the CTO for Addictive. We are an ad tech company providing tools and services for mobile application publishers, and we help them optimize their ad spending, basically. So today we'll be talking about our analytics products, which help them predict their revenue per user instead of reacting to it.
Okay, great. How it works?
So the way it works is that we receive a stream of events being the user activity in every mobile application of our customers, and we push that into our Kafka clusters. Then we consume that into application running into EKS, the managed Kubernetes. That's Kafka Streams applications, and we have two use cases for that. One is to, in real time, compute aggregation and counters. And the other one is to keep everything as raw material for later analysis.
And do you have metrics about your Kafka ingestion?
Yeah, so overall here it's about 30,000 events per second, which is quite a lot. And at the end of the day, it adds about 400 gigs of data every day to the data lake. So the data we manage is about 120 terabytes.
Okay, great. So now you have raw data on S3. What do you do with this data?
So we run our machine learning models into Spark applications, running into another EKS cluster, and we basically run Spark clusters for customers to process this data.
So how many Spark clusters do you use every day?
Quite a lot, because we keep them separated between our customers and different jobs. So it's hundreds of Spark clusters that we start every day.
Okay, but why do you do that?
So first, we want it to be very resilient. We want that any jobs failing will not prevent the flow and the result for other jobs, and so we protect the quality of services. And also, since we use spot instances into those clusters, we can expect them to disappear at some point, and everything will get restarted.
Okay, that's great. So it's resilient, it's safe, and it's also cost efficient.
Yeah.
So what is the outcomes of your model processing?
So we have two outputs. We have metrics about prediction aggregated here, and we have the raw data for every user here in Redshift.
Is it forecasting metrics?
Yeah.
Okay, great. And so you have two data stores. What don't you put everything into RDS?
So we optimize here for the speed of access, and here more for the flexibility, because we don't really know how they will be accessed.
Okay, and so how do you display this information to your customer?
So we provide them with a dashboard that is run as a React application, and it talks to an API endpoint built in Go here that will access directly the different data stores. So this is my architecture. We designed and deployed that in just under 3 months during our MVP phase, and we believe that with the managed services, it will scale with the customer growing, and it will be kept cost efficient.
Oh, great. You do that in only 3 months. Oh, that's great. So thank you, Stefan, for all this information.
Thanks for having me.
And thank you for watching This Is My Architecture.